Hills 4-H, and here I'm going to show you some animals at our 4-H McClellan Ranch. Come on. These are our chickens here at McClellan. We have our standards, which are bigger chickens. These are the type of chickens whose eggs you'll see in the grocery store, or who themselves will be in the grocery store. And these are our bantam chickens. So they're much smaller chickens, they lay much smaller eggs, and they're mostly used for shows. This is Nova. She's one of my chickens here at the farm, and she's mostly a show bird. We use her for showmanship and also regular show, which judges a chicken on appearance. So these are our pigeons here at the farm. This one here is called Blue Lady, and she's a carrier pigeon, now a rescue pigeon here. All of our pigeons here are rescue pigeons from an organization called Diplomacy. We have two kind of carrier pigeon types, one king pigeon, and the brown one, we're not really sure what he is. They also make strange sounds, trying to attract me. I hope you enjoy the animals here at McClellan 4-H Ranch. We hope to see you next time, and hopefully in person this time. Thank you!